Apple wanted to give us something special for Christmas, and we thought it was going to be AirPods Studio, and we were kind of right, but this instead is AirPods Max. Okay then, let's quickly go through what AirPods Max are all about. So there's now a few different options of AirPods that you can pick up. So AirPods with that wireless charging case, you then have AirPods Pro, and now you have AirPods Max as well. And this is the first time that Apple have ever done something with over-the-ear headphones. So they're going to probably move away from Beats and all of that stuff now, and Apple have finally gone out and done it themselves. So first of all, let's have a look at what these AirPods Max actually look like. From the photos you can see they look quite different to any other over-the-head headphones. They're so sleek, they're clean, they're nice, they're very Apple, aren't they? And if you have a look at one of the top of the ear cups, you can see they've almost got like that Apple Watch digital crown at the top, which I presume is going to be for turning volume up and down and everything like that. And that's a really different take on what everyone else has. So instead of having those normal clunky buttons that you would get on the side of it, they've gone and put that over at the top. The exciting thing as well is that these aren't just coming in one color. We are getting 5 different colors for these AirPods Max, and those colors are space gray, silver, sky blue, green, and pink as well. So there's a lot of different colors, and you can order these right now and you can get them delivered before Christmas. So they'll be delivered between the 15th and the 17th of December if you're quick enough, and they are coming in at $549 or £549, which could be a good deal for what you're getting, because let's have a look at some of the specs that you get on these AirPods Max. One of the things that is coming over is that adaptive EQ. So AirPods Pro have this very similar at the moment, where you can put them in your ear and it tells you whether the right fit or the right seal is already happening for your ear. But with this adaptive EQ, you get to adjust the feel and the fit of those cushions around your ear instead of the silicone tips like you do on AirPods Pro. They also have active noise cancellation on AirPods Max, and I imagine that it's going to be incredible, because if AirPods Pro can do such a good job and they're inside your ears, these with Apple's cushions going over your ears for the first time, that means this active noise cancellation could be incredible. Each ear cup on AirPods Max has like 3 microphones that faces outwards, so it can detect all the sound that is around you, and that's how the adaptive noise cancellation on these headphones will work. With that as well, you get transparency mode. So if you've never used transparency mode, what it is that you can turn off that active noise cancellation so you can hear more around you. So you can hear tannoy announcements, or you can hear people talking to you without having to take your headphones off. And transparency mode is something that is really cool, actually. So again, bringing that to a pair of headphones that go over your ears is going to be very exciting to see how that works. Battery life on these AirPods Max are sounding really good as well. So it's up to 20 hours of battery life with adaptive noise cancellation turned on as well. And 20 hours, that's, well, it's very long, isn't it? But 20 hours with ACN on is something that is actually really, really impressive. Another cool little feature that these AirPods Max will have as well is that it has audio switching. So if you're listening to a song on your iPad and then you're heading on out and you start playing something on your iPhone, that will switch automatically between the two without you having to go into settings and pair it and all of that stuff. And that's something that is really nice. AirPods Max will detect when it is on your head and on your ears as well, so it'll know when to start playing music. And if you want to pause a track and listen to someone as they're talking to you, all you've got to do is just take one of the ear cups off, and then you will be able to pause that music or pause that film. And that's very similar to just taking the AirPods out of the ear that they have at the moment. But again, it's something that is really impressive on having the overhead pair of headphones. AirPods Max have this 40mm driver in there as well. So what that means really is that the sound that you're going to get from these AirPods is going to be the best audio potentially in any over-the-ear headphones. Of course, they're going up against those Sony headphones that were released this year as well, but it will be really good to see what these can do. But there's some more stuff that Apple have said about these headphones as well. Apparently, it has a unique dual neodymium ring magnet motor, which allows the total harmonic distortion of less than 1% across the entire audible range, even at max volume. And I don't know what that means. I just think it means that you can have it really high and it'll sound really good. The mesh that you can see on the ear cups of these AirPods Max looks really similar to what's on the HomePod and the HomePod Mini at the moment, and that'll be really interesting to see how that feels as it sits on your ear, because sometimes the overhead earphones just really irritate me. I don't like being so concealed by it, but maybe these might just change my mind. Also, in the small print, if you haven't seen it, just be careful. If you don't own an Apple device, you can't use these AirPods Max. So a bold move, I think, from Apple. I really like the design of these headphones. I think that they look incredibly comfortable, so I can't wait to pick them up and have a go and see what they are like. What do you think of these? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, then a like to the channel would be great. And also a subscription to the channel helps quite a lot as well. But let me know, are you going to get these? Just drop that in the comments below. And also, what color do you think that you might get? Anyway, until next time, see you later.